In this second video, we'll talk about the long answer questions. So the first question is, what do you understand by waste management? And write a short note on it. So we can say, why do we first need waste management actually? So one of the major reasons for environmental pollution is waste and its improper disposal. And when factory and household waste are dumped, it creates a lot of pollution, land pollution, soil pollution, air pollution, and hence it's a need to manage our waste properly. So waste management is collection, transportation and disposal of garbage, sewage and other waste products, and also treating solid waste and finding solution for recycling are a part of waste management. Leave a line after every answer. And the second question says, what is non-biodegradable waste? What will happen if it is not disposed of properly? So here it is non-biodegradable waste. So what kind of waste it is firstly? So this type of waste does not rot and does not mix with the soil. It takes a very long time to decompose and hence remains in the environment. Then there are some examples given for the non-biodegradable waste, and then the second part of the question, that if it is not disposed properly, what will happen? It will clog land and water bodies, clog drains, animals can accidentally eat them. So this is all about non-biodegradable waste. Now children, you can just read the paragraph and you can also frame your answers in your own words. Then the third question says, mention ways in which waste is disposed of in towns and cities. Write a short note on compost pits. So here it is, waste disposal. In towns and cities, the municipal bodies look after the collection of waste from homes, streets, hospitals and public places, and they use various methods to dispose this waste: open dumping, burning, landfill and compost pit. Now you only have to write the names of these methods: open dumping, burning and landfill. But the second part of the question says that you have to write a short note on the compost pit. So here is a paragraph on compost pit and you can frame it in your own words. We can say that they are used to dispose of household and garden waste, and then what is the procedure? Once the pit is full, it is sprinkled with water, left to decompose, and the waste is turned regularly and cow dung or earthworms are added to the waste to speed up the process of decay. And what is the end product? This decomposed waste is called compost. So you can write a small note or a short note on compost pit. The fourth question says, what is reduce, reuse and recycle? Now it's here, reduce, reuse and recycle. So the three most important ways in which you can contribute towards waste management are reduce, reuse and recycle. Now this is a paragraph on reduce. What is reduction? It's given here. How can we use our resources wisely? We can save water, we can save energy. You can also make your own compost bin and this will be good for your plants and there will be less garbage. The second paragraph talk about reuse. As far as possible, use things which can be reused to avoid wastage, to reduce waste, and at home also we can find many things that we can reuse. For example, shopping bags, clothes, old cardboard boxes. So you can write this also in your own words. Then recycle. Recycling is a process by which waste materials are converted into new reusable forms. Examples are given here, and there are some products which are mentioned here which can be recycled. And you know that even the water that we use in the kitchen can be recycled. That is, you can use it for different purposes. The last question says, how can you help conserve the environment? Conserving the environment. So you first write write this line. There are many more ways. There are many ways, in fact, in which we can help to save the environment, and there are few points given here. You can choose for any 4 points from these given points, or you can also write your own points. whatever suits you, because sometimes when you write the answer in your own words, it is easy for you to learn. So I hope you'll be able to do the answers. Good luck and thank you.